Friends, today in this video of the Facebook ads course, we are going to tell you a very important step: billing settings and payment method. Friends, this is related to billing and credit cards, tax information and many other things. If you want to run Facebook ads successfully and ensure you don't face any problems in the future during the process of it, you need to be mindful of billing, and as I will discuss in detail throughout this video, it is equally important to follow the same procedures I explain. It is possible that your country may have different requirements, so you will need to adjust your settings. However, the primary process remains the same. So today we will teach you how to set up billing settings, tax information, card details and everything related to them. This video is important, so watch it till the end and follow the steps. I hope you are understanding this complete Facebook ads course well. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any important videos or upcoming courses. Now, we are moving to the computer screen here. As you can see, we are currently inside the Meta Business Suite. Here we will first click on All Tools, and after doing so, we will navigate to our Ad Manager account. Upon entering the Ads Manager account, we will see a panel on the left hand side. You can see an option of All Tools, so click here. As you click the first option, at the top in the Manage section, the third point is Billing and Payments. Here we will click on Billing and Payments. When we click on the Billing and Payments section, we can clearly see the option for my Ad Manager account located here on our screen. It appears with the name Marketing Fundas Digital Agency. But I move to the payment methods. I will select the account in payment method, and there are two options. Okay, here are the options that I am getting. For example, the agency option is here. And here, the option for Hitesh Gupta is also visible here on the left side. This is the Ads Manager account and it is the default ads account we have. So there are two options here and it's up to you. Choose the first option if you want to run it through an agency. If you are an individual, you can do it from here. However, if you are an agency managing it for clients, you will likely prefer that option. But regardless of the option you choose, the procedure for setting up payment method and inputting your tax information remains the same. So for that, I will click on Hitesh Gupta for now, okay? So here I clicked on the option of Hitesh Gupta. So now further, as you can see, set up your account. So I can click on Get Started or Add Payment Method. So here I click on the option of Get Started. And as I clicked here, now please observe, my business location is India and I had already selected the currency and other details earlier. Now I need to select the business and tax info, and this is optional. It's not mandatory. You can do it later if you want, but you should definitely do it so that in the future when you make expenditures and spend your own funds, the monthly billing will be issued in the name of a company. Or whatever individual or company name you want on the bill, you will need to enter the tax information in the form. And to add it, you can directly click on the option of Edit here. So here select the country you are in and the currency of that country and the time of that. Business name. For example, I am putting Marketing Fundas. Okay, as you can see that I have added all my details in this bar including my name. Now as soon as you select your country and region, in this step, I have selected the region. It's Delhi. And tax information is optional here. But if you have a GST and you want to take the input, you should definitely put, for example, I'm putting my GST details. So my GST details are I'm putting here. So I have entered my GST details here. By ticking this box, I am confirming that all the details are accurate. Okay. Now I am saving. Okay, so after I have saved this, I added all the details and then I checked my tax information, country, currency and all that carefully. If you feel something is wrong, then you can edit it. There is no problem. Now here, add payment method. You can add UPI, net banking, debit card, credit card as payment methods. Friends, if you are an individual, you usually get these options. But if you're working for an agency, then you might only see the option of debit card or credit card in the payments. Okay, if only the debit or credit card option is available, you will have to use that. But if you have the option for UPI or net banking, then you can also use that. Okay, so here I am using the option of internet banking, for example, and I can also use UPI or whatever is easier for you, right? So here, like when we click next, so this will further proceed in this step, and I will add payment after this process is done. I can choose the amount I want to add here. If I need to add 500 rupees, I will enter 500 rupees, or if I only need to add 100 rupees, I will enter 100. And once I've made my selection, I will click next. Now I clicked on the next, and it will take me to the net banking section to proceed with adding funds. I will select my bank, whichever bank I need to select. Then proceed. And here I will enter the bank details. Here I am clicking. Then confirm. Now we will get one-time password. Okay, I entered the one-time password and submitted it. At this point, you can see that I have successfully added the funds, and it clearly shows a total of 500 rupees displayed here. Added successfully, okay? I will click done here. As we get this page, here you see the available funds that we have and the tax info and everything we entered. So basically, whether it's entering tax information or payment methods, I have guided you through each step of the process in clear and detailed manner. And similarly, you can also do this. Thank you.